My review of the Midas Burr grinder. Bought it off Amazon. There's a link in the description for where I found it on Amazon and the reviews and the opinions of this grinder, so check out the link if you want to read more about it. Have a look at it on Amazon. There's quite a few similar ones to this, so there's quite a few to compare. Quite a simple design. It's in two parts. Bottom part is it's got a clear little viewing window, and it collects your ground coffee at the bottom, so you can see how much you've ground up. Underneath you've got a dial where you can change the coarseness of the how it grinds it up. So I've got a blade grinder already, so this was really for espresso, so you want it quite fine and according to your recipe or your brewing method. So it takes a little bit of experimentation, you know, turn it, grind a bit, see how you like it, see how coarse or fine it is. Too much, unscrew a little bit, not enough, screw it that way. Top comes off, and on the inside you've got the where you pour in the coffee. This bit attaches on the top, and just in a circular motion you can grind up the coffee. It takes quite a while to use these types of grinders, so what I'll do, I'll show you it in, you can see it in there. Yeah, cost about £10, so not very expensive. Pour in the coffee, beans. This is a Starbucks espresso roast that I'm using. The good thing about this product is with every pack you buy, you actually can take in the empty bag to a Starbucks and they'll give you a tall latte. I think this was on offer at the time, so the whole bag cost less than the tall latte. So it's worth stocking up on these when they've got the offer on, because it pays for a drink in Starbucks, and you also get a big bag of coffee. So I've put the coffee in, lid goes on, handle goes on, and it's just a simple case of grinding it around. Takes quite a while. Oh, I'm not sure what setting I put it on. I'm going to make it a bit more finer, because I'll use this for an AeroPress. So it's an AeroPress is one of these. It's like a simple device where you can, push. Had coffee in it already. That's a fail. Made a coffee this morning. AeroPress, link in the description for this. Reviews, opinions, how to use it. You basically just fill it with coffee, fill it with water, leave it a few minutes, and press the coffee through it. So that's a good little coffee tool to check out. So I've been grinding for, I don't know, 20 seconds, 30 seconds or so, a minute, and we'll see what's been ground up so far. Quite coarse. Probably wouldn't usually use this setting, but in doing the review I've changed my preferred setting to a coarser one, So I'll use this for filter for my French press. I'll try and grind it a bit finer. So to make it finer, turn the dial on the bottom a few more times. So you have to really work for your coffee, but it's worth it. I suppose you could buy the more expensive coffee grinders. This is a Burr grinder. So that's a finer grind. Yeah, so overall, for what it cost, I think it's worth it. Another little gadget for the kitchen, and make coffee.